Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and I'm so glad you're back. I've got another fun, budget-friendly DIY video for you today. I had these 3 Dollar Tree boxes in my stash and thought they would be cute as a planner. I glued the 3 boxes together using Dollar Tree wood glue and some clamps to hold them together until the glue had time to set up. I didn't use any hot glue because I wanted the boxes to be as close as possible without a gap. The next day, after the glue was dry, I applied Dollar Tree spackling to the creases between the boxes. I wanted it to look like one piece and not 3 boxes glued together. I then added 4 feet to the bottom using wood glue and hot glue. Once the spackling was dry, I sanded it smooth with the rest of the planner and used a baby wipe to remove the dust. I painted the planner with folk art chalk paint. And used some gel stain, a paintbrush, and a baby wipe to stain the legs and the bottom of the planner. When I use wood glue, I try not to paint or stain the wood before applying the glue. Wood glue is made to attach to the fibers in the wood for the strongest hold. I left everything to dry while I worked on some sweater bunny butts. For the sweater bunny butts, I used this old sweater I found in my stash. I started out by cutting a small section from the bottom of the sweater. I placed stuffing in the center and folded the sweater around the stuffing. And sorry about the camera moving, I'm not sure what happened. I used a rubber band and wrapped it tightly around the opening. With scissors, I trimmed the sweater and made the opening with the rubber band look like a little bunny's butt. I made 3 of these in various sizes. Today's video is part of the Crafted by Corey Minis Challenge, and y'all know I love making minis. You'll find links to Corey's channel along with a link to the playlist in the description. Now for another great DIY. I thought the bunny butt planner needed a sign. I applied the same gel stain to the sign that I had used on the legs of the planner. And created this cut file in Design Space and applied it to the sign. I removed the twine rope that was attached to the back. I then hot glued 2 Dollar Tree skewers to the back of the sign. And wrapped jute twine around the corners. I found this little piece in my stash and thought it would be cute on the front of the little planner. You can't tell in the video, but the piece was wider than the box. So I simply used the same paint I had used on the planner and lightly painted it so it would blend in better. I applied hot glue to the back and attached it to the front of the planner. That is just what this little planner needed. Please take a second to like this video and leave me a comment. This really helps my channel to grow so others just like yourself can find me. If you just found me, I hope you will join our little family by hitting the subscribe button. If you are already part of the family, thank you so much for your love and support. Y'all are the absolute best. Check out my new Amazon store for craft supply and farmhouse home decor recommendations. All the products I use from Amazon in my videos can be found there. Until next time, happy crafting!